So we're testing the brushless ESC here. Can move this. Oh, sorry. Here it is. And it's a Trackstar 80. And it's designed to make a brushless motor go forward and reverse and handle 80 amps while it's doing both of those. And this is the motor that we're using. There. And this is the really cheap setup we're doing to test to make sure this can go forward and reverse. And this is the receiver it goes to over here. So, now, forward. Stop, which is center. And reverse. And stop. Pretty freaking cool. And let's see, it'll actually, let's see what the LED does here. So this would be forward. It goes green, neutral should be yellow, and Ross just killed my power. Oh, it remembers itself. Sweet. Another test. So red is reverse. Yellow is neutral. That's yellow, even though the camera doesn't work. And green is forward. That's a success, my friends. We are good.